Hello, my English groupies. My name is Teacher Angela. Welcome. Do you know your colors? Let's learn 7 of them today. Let's start. Blue, blue, blue. Excellent. Blue. Very good. Green, green, green. Very good. Red, red, red. Excellent. Yellow, yellow. Very good. Yellow. Excellent. Pink, pink, pink. Excellent. Pink. Very good. Black, black. Excellent. Black. Very good. White, white. Excellent. White. Very good. Those are 7. Do you remember? What's this? Blue. Excellent. Blue. Very good. Green. Green. Excellent. You got it. Red. Red. Very good. Yellow. Very good. Yellow. Excellent. Pink. Pink. Excellent. Very good. Black. 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 Excellent. And white. White. You got it. Very good. Excellent. Let's practice now. What color is it? If we ask, what color is it? This one. What color is it? Let's hear you. What color is it? Excellent. Very good. One more time. What color is it? Excellent. Very good. And we say, it is blue. It is blue. Yeah? Let's do it together. It is blue. It is blue. Excellent. One more time. What color is it? Yeah, it is blue. Very good, very good. Our next one. What color is it? Excellent, you got it. What color is it? It is green. Very good. One more time. It is excellent. Our question? Yeah, what color is it? What color is it? Let's practice. Excellent. Very good. It is red. Yeah, it is red. Let's practice. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Let's check. What color is it? Yeah, it is blue. Very good. And what color is it? It is green. Very good. Let's do it one more time. What color is it? Excellent. And this one. What color is it? It is red. Excellent. Very good. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's see our next one. What color is it? What color is it? It is yellow. Very good. What color is it? What color is it? Excellent. It is yellow. Very good. Excellent. What color is it? Excellent. It is pink. You got it. Very good. Excellent. It is pink. Very good. What color is it? It is yellow. Very good. What color is it? It is pink. Very good. This one, what color is it? Excellent. What color is it? Excellent. What color is it? It is black. Excellent. It is black. Excellent. One more time. Very good. It is black. You are right. And this one, what color is it? What color is it? It is white. Very good. What color is it? Very good. What color is it? It is white. Very good. Let's practice one more time. What color is it? It is blue. What color is it? It is green. Excellent. What color is it? It is red. Very good. What color is it? It is yellow. And this one, what color is it? It is pink. What color is it? It is black. And our last one, what color is it? It is white. Congratulations! We have learned and practiced 7 colors. What color do you like? See you in our next video. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.